Want to offer fast, trusted payments on your website? PayPal Smart Buttons make it easy by allowing your customers to pay using PayPal, Pay Later, or even debit and credit cards, all with one integration. Here's how to activate them. Start by logging into your PayPal business account. Once you're in, head to the PayPal developer site at developer.paypal.com and click on Dashboard. Go to My Apps and Credentials, and under the Live section, click Create App. Give it a name, something like Smart Buttons Integration, and create it. Once your app is created, you'll get your client ID. Now go to your website builder or e-commerce platform and look for the PayPal integration section. Most platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix have built-in support. Just paste your client ID where required and enable PayPal as a payment option. If you're embedding manually, go to the Smart Buttons section in PayPal's developer docs, copy the JavaScript code, insert your client ID, and paste it into your site's HTML where you want the button to appear. And that's it. PayPal Smart Business are now active, giving your customers more flexibility and trust at checkout. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more no fluff setup guides, and comment if you want help integrating it with a specific platform.